Talafalava. Greetings and welcome to the final of the Mr. Apia Drag Queen Pageant 1999. Famaloa to lava to sumai, matala maya ao, emonima wina le poma na yo utuangane, fatali.
And good evening, everyone. My name is Charlene Magnolia Clinton. I'm 18 years of age. I'm your contestant number 2. I'm very proud to represent American Samoa, also sponsored by the one and only from West Oakland, TNN LA Fashions. My ambition in life, I want to become a first islander transsexual to be a prime minister for my country. Thank you. I'm 18 years of age, and I'm your contestant number 3. And my impression in life, I was put on this earth to please you. Tonight, I'm proud to represent my beautiful country, Cook Island.
Kia ora, Miss Cook Islands. Oriana is 18 years of age and loves dancing to music of all sorts. Her favorite sports are volleyball and touch. She hates rugby as it is too rough. She values her family very much. Her involvement in church and youth activities is an utmost challenge. In being a youth of today, it gives her confidence and experience of life she likes to share with those who are also seeking the same experience.
Ko Jennifer, final, Tuiātaga, baya kuipele hake. Fie, whakaha ko te he kona kokotoa, ko tonga o tuku i Pasifiki, ko he whanua, whakaofa, o kuanga, whakakaunea, malo, o whātu. Ladies and gentlemen, I am contestant number 4, and my name is Jennifer, final, Tuiātaga, baya kuipele hake. I'm 18 years old. Representing the friendly island of Tonga. It is a privilege and honor for me to be here tonight to compete in this beautiful pageant, proudly sponsored by Video and Out Production of Samoa, of Tuiātaga.
Sorry, girlfriend. Miss Tonga, Jennifer O'Brien, Tuiātaga, Tuiātaga, is the eldest of 4 boys. Her brothers are most dear to her, although she keeps them up when they misbehave. She is currently working as a police sergeant for the Royal Children's Force. Miss Tonga, a very strong woman, as you can see. She is not afraid of any woman in her village. She makes everyone's stories like the Ghana and Tanzania. Miss Tonga has been on fast burner since July 1998. She loves eating and explains how to do chicken.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pamela Lee Anderson. I'm 22 years of age. My ambition in life is to become a sex symbol and have my face and body on billboards all across the world. Tonight, I'm glad to represent the land of golden opportunities, fortune and fame, glitz and glamour, Hollywood, USA.
Welcome, Miss United States of America. She is Ashley Pamela Lee Anderson. She is 5 foot 11 inches tall, with brown eyes and long blonde hair. Miss USA is slim-built and a fair complexion. Miss United States lives in Hollywood, Los Angeles, California. Her star sign is Gemini. Miss USA is a part-time model and stripper. Miss United States works full-time as a truck driver. Look at those shoulders.
Ladies and gentlemen, talo falava. My name is Susanna Maivanu Sarona Thompson, and I am 25 years old, and I'm proudly sponsored by the Thompson family. And tonight, I'm very honored and I'm very proud to represent my country of birth, the land, the mother of paradise, the Hollywood of the South Pacific, Samoa.
Talo Palava, Miss Samoa. She is 25, old secondary school teacher trainee at the Auckland College of Education. She was born under the sign of Gemini. Her hobbies are playing a lot of ball sports, such as netball, playing at goal shoot or goal defense. Is that men's netball or women's netball, Miss Samoa? Tennis, she would like one day play as a doubles climber for the famous Venus Williams. She loves cricket and a deadly spin bowler. Miss Samoa likes reading romantic novels, chatting on hot gossip with Samoa and meeting strangers. Her interests are based mainly around the opposite sex, men, especially those from the hot gossip, drinking it, dancing, tasty beverages, and privacy of boom 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 in my room. One of her lifetime achievements was being crowned as Miss Australia 1996. What Miss Samoa dislikes very much is those who know it all but out to be nice by being nice. Okay, the traditional costume. Miss Samoa has decided to maintain an idea of a theme for all environments. Tonight, the theme putasi is made up of 3 individual pieces, the bodice, lava, and the ram around. The bodice is designed off the shoulder and accessorized with the traditional pu'a as buttons. The slim-fitting bodice accentuates the Samoa's hourglass figure, Highlighting Susanna's theme of Samoa past, present and future is her long pencil-lined skirt with the back split worn underneath the overlaid wrap. The skirt is a move around from the traditional wraparound or lava, brings the traditional putasi into a new dimension. At the bottom, the skirt has been decorated with hand-braided sinnet.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am your last contestant for this evening, and my name is Francesca Latoya Fitzwilliam. I'm 12 years old, and my ambition in life is to have 12 children. Tonight, I'm very honored and pleased to be here to represent the most beautiful Caribbean country in the world, Trinidad and Tobago.
She is Francesca Latoya Fitzwilliams. She is 12 years and is 6 foot and 5 inches tall. She is adventurous and lives dangerously. She's a keen deep sea diver and tending her hands at growing grass. What she enjoys most is playing and feeding the sharks in the deep blue ocean surrounding her beautiful island of Trinidad and Tobago. She likes to stroll along the beaches in the evening, eyeing those dark and handsome Caribbean pickups or being picked up by the police.
¿Cómo está? Mi nombre Desiree Castellino Lopezo. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and judges, and supporters over there. My name is Desiree Castellino Lopezo, and I'm 20 years of age. My greatest ambition is to become a famous movie star, so one day I can make my own blue movies. So you can all leave a number at the door if you want to. Well, I'm proud and honored to be your first contestant tonight, and I bring greetings from the hottest land in the South American continent, Brazil, the land of exotic beauty, gorgeous boys and girls, and beautiful beaches. Thank you very much. Gracias. Hola.
Hola, Miss Brazil. She is Desiree Castellina Lopezo. She hails from the Queen City of dance parties, the famous Mardi Gras